Hello everyone, welcome back to the Token Minds training series. Today we explore how stablecoins can be used to build faster, cheaper cross-border remittance systems using blockchain infrastructure. In the session, we will cover three key areas. First, why stablecoins are changing how cross-border payments work. Second, the infrastructure required to run a stablecoin remittance platform. And third, how compliance, settlement, and reconciliation operate together in real payment system. Major payment companies are already adopting stablecoin rails. For example, Western Union recently launched a stablecoin payment rail connecting more than 360,000 cash collection across over 200 countries. While a global network handling billions in remittances begins using stablecoins, it signals a clear shift. Stablecoins are moving from experimentation to real payment infrastructure. Traditional remittance systems are slow and expensive. Transfers usually take 2 to 5 business days to settle. Fees often range from 5 to 7% per transaction, and each intermediary bank adds another possible point of value. For small payments, these costs can remove a large portion of the value being sent. Consider a 300 US dollars transfer from Singapore to Southeast Asia. Using traditional banking rails, the transfer may take several business days. With stablecoin rails, the process works differently. The sender initiates the payment, funds are converted into a stablecoin such as USDC, the transaction moves on-chain and creates a verifiable transaction record. The recipient receives the funds in local currency, and the entire process can complete in under 10 minutes with a permanent on-chain audit trail. So stablecoins remove many of the intermediaries in cross-border payments. Transfers settle directly on blockchain networks within minutes. Fees can fall below 1% because correspondent banking layers disappear, and value moves directly from wallet to wallet across the network. And every transaction creates a permanent record on chain. The only remaining step is converting digital value into local currency, which is handled through the local payout networks. Stablecoins alone do not create a remittance platform. Four operational systems are required. First, stablecoin acceptance, so the platform can process assets like USDC or USDT. Second, wallet compliance screening, where AML and sanctions checks verify each wallet before settlement. Third, automated reconciliation, where blockchain transaction hashes match internal payment records. And fourth, programmable settlement rules, which release payments only after compliance and confirmation conditions are met. Blockchain settlement is already fast. The challenge for businesses is building the operational layer around it. TMX Payments provides the operational stack in one integration. It supports stablecoin acceptance with fast settlement. It includes compliance and risk monitoring controls, and it provides reporting and reconciliation tools for finance teams. So if you're ready to deploy stablecoin powered remittance infrastructure and reduce cross-border payment costs, reach out to Token Minds. Thank you for watching and see you in the next training video.